In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix WhatsApp not working in Windows 10 or 11. So if the WhatsApp application is not working on your Windows, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. If the application still does not work, there might be some fault in the app. In that case, what you have to do is repair it. For that, click on the start icon that you can see at bottom. Hover over the gear icon and click on this option settings. After you do that, settings will be opened. Find this option for apps and click on it. Now you'll be able to access the settings related with apps. Make sure to select this option for apps and features. After you do that, simply scroll down. Find the option for WhatsApp and click on it. Now click on this option, Advanced Options. Now you'll be able to access the advanced options for WhatsApp. What you have to do is scroll down. Over here, you'll be able to find this section for reset. Simply click on this option, Repair. Follow through the prompts and WhatsApp application will be repaired. After that, your problem should be fixed. If the application still does not work, what you can do is simply click on this option, Reset. Now the app's data will also be reset and your WhatsApp application should start working. But if the application still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. For that, click on this option, Uninstall, that you can see on the screen. After you do that, simply install the WhatsApp application again via the Microsoft Store or official website of WhatsApp. After that, your problem should be fixed. If the application still does not work, there might be some problem with your device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is check for the updates. Go back to the settings interface. Here you'll be able to find various options. Click on this option, Update and Security. After you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure to select the option for Windows Update. Now over here, you'll be able to check for the Windows Update. Sometimes when your Windows is not updated properly, the application will not work. So what you have to do is click on this option, Check for Updates. If any updates are available, it will be shown over here and the update process will begin. After the Windows is updated, your problem should be fixed and the WhatsApp should start working. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix WhatsApp not working on Windows 10 or 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.